Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be doing poached eggs in our Instant Pot. We're going to do 4 at once. So to get started, we're going to put a little oil in each of our bowls here. And we're going to spread that around. Okay, now we're going to crack 4 eggs in there. Okay, now these eggs are right from the refrigerator, and they're large eggs, and we're going to put them in our Instant Pot, and we're going to use the steam function to do this one. So let's see how they turn out. So let's get started on that. Okay, now we're going to add a 1.5 cups of water to our pot, and we're going to add our trivet. Just like that. And we're going to put our bowls in. Now I don't think they're all going to fit in there side by side, so we'll just have to stack one on top like a pyramid there. That ought to do it. Okay, now all we have to do is put the lid on and set our pot. Okay, now all we do is hit our steam function on our Instant Pot. And we're going to go, we'll just do 2 minutes. All right. And then we'll hit start. And that's all we have to do. And I'll bring you back when it's done preheating and it starts to cook. Okay, we got 2 minutes on the clock and our poached eggs will be done. Looks like we got 1 minute left on the clock and our poached eggs will be done. And then we'll do a quick release. And we'll take a look at them together. Okay, our eggs are done. Hit cancel. Now let's do a quick release. Quick. Okay, the pin dropped, so it's safe to open. And we'll get them out of there. Alright, there's one. Maybe we can lift these out. Okay. There you go. Now I'll give you a shot of us putting them on some toast. Okay, let's get one out of there. I just put a little salt, a little bit of pepper. Yeah, let's just look at one of those. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that yolk. That's just perfect. Well, there you have it, guys. 4 poached eggs in our Instant Pot using the steam function. And they are nice and soft. And the yolks are runny. So there you go. They're gonna be tasty. Yeah, they're good. Now if I can only find out what happened to my coffee. Yeah, it's gone. I'll just have to get another one. That sounds normal.